Hi everyone, this is Sandy Cricut Cards, and I'm back with the very last part of my back to school series. So this is just a series where I was working with school themed projects, school papers, just to kind of get a handle and a head start on upcoming, school events where you're going to need different projects and gifts and cards and that kind of thing. So anyway, I'm finishing up with bookmarks. So what I did was I took let me see, where is it? I took the Mama Elephant, a newer stamp set and die. I used the Bookworm stamp set, which is really, really cute, and the Goodreads. And the Goodreads has this bookmark, this long bookmark die, as well as this fun little word bubble. And those are the two things that I used. And some sentiments. And I also used this Honor Students. I used that. And I used some basically leftover paper from my album that I made. So this one is for my son. He just wants a plain bookmark. He doesn't want it to look girly at all. So this one's going to be for him. All I did was just use an A+ sticker on it, and that's what he wanted. So we'll let him have that. So I've got these left. And so I've decided that this one is going to go here, and that the rest of them I was going to stack the little books. Does it go that way? It has to go this way. The little books. And then I've got the little guys right here. And I know I have one more little guy. Wonder where he went. I must have oh, there he is. I was like, where'd he go? Kind of too black and white. So maybe here and here. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is just adhere these down. And I'm not popping them up or anything because they should be flat because they're going to be used as bookmarks. So you don't want them to be two-dimensional. And for those of you who don't know, I am a librarian, and I hate when kids leave bunches of papers in their books as bookmarks or whatever, or their reading logs and stuff in them because they hurt the spine of the book. Too much wear and tear on the book. So I'm also a teacher, so I do double duty. And so this one's really cute because the die, the little hands are cut out. So if you wanted to put a little book in his hand, you could do that. And then this one, I just want to be a little bit different. I thought my daughter might like that one. I'll let her pick which one she wants. She always surprises me, though. So I'll give you guys a close-up. I took the zoom off of my camera because it kept popping in and out. It would not focus. So I took the autofocus off because people were not happy about that. So, and I get that because that was not really fun. So let's see. We have just one more chapter. I think that one's cute. Actually, I think this one is, this is where I fell asleep. This one is going to be just one more chapter. Get lost in a good book. And every new page is an adventure. So this is where I fell asleep because the cat's sleeping. I thought that'd be cute. This one's just one more chapter. And I just colored, stamped, die cut all of these one evening, and then I'm putting them together with you guys right now. Sometimes that's how it works because I don't have that much time to craft a lot of times. I'm a busy mom, I work, and all that other good stuff. Okay, so then to embellish, I have hearts, I have a bow. Let's see, I might do a bow up there. I might do a heart here, heart there, and a bow here. I think that's what I'm going to do. So I thought, should I put ribbon up there? I mean, I think if you were using this as a tag, because this would make a really, really cute tag die, maybe. But I want to keep it really flat and easy. I might still tie ribbon on it. We'll see. I have to look for some really kind of flat ribbon. I'm kind of looking up at I have like some handy dandy ribbon. So there's that, and I'll do this last one. And that goes right there. So if I don't know if I'm going to do ribbon. Just wanted to keep it really simple. Let's see. Maybe if I just do one ribbon, we'll see how it looks. I'm trying to think what would be a good color and a good, I don't know. Because I don't have a lot of ribbon anymore. I don't really use ribbon very much anymore, as much as I used to anyway. Let's see. I'll tie ribbon on one of them, and you guys let me know if you think it needs ribbon or not ribbon, because then maybe I'll add ribbon to the rest of them. I'm just still sort of debating whether I want to do that or not. And, because these are just going to get all beat up in my kids' books and stuff like that, because they have reading they have to do. Lily's got her reading to do, and then Tyler has SSR every day, even in 7th grade. He can't escape reading. It's sad for me because my kids don't love to read the way that I do, especially when I was their age. Okay. I think it's cute with ribbon, actually. But you guys can let me know if you think ribbon or no ribbon, and I will add probably no ribbon to Tyler's. Maybe I'll just add some twine. I don't know. Okay, so let me give you a look-see. Okay, so here is the first one. It says, "This is where I fell asleep." And this is the one that I tied some ribbon to test it out. Oh, no, it's not. I lied. This is the one that's tied ribbon on. This one is "Get Lost in a Good Book." Okay. And then this one is "Every Page is a New Adventure." And then this one is "Just One More Chapter." And then to store them, I have this little pouch that I made. And I will have a little tutorial on how to make this little pouch in my Halloween collaboration week 5. There will be a video on how to make this cute little pouch. It's super easy to make, and just a little pocket that you can use for anything that you want. But that's my last project. Thank you for watching. Here are some of the projects that I made, the last ones that I've made. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating with the Heart.